It's your boy Trey Dub, and welcome to Clones TV. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and share. Let's unbox the women's Air Jordan 3 Valentine's Day. Treat yourself. Let's go. Nice. Think. These are nice. They did a real good job with these. Wow. And looking at the picture, I thought that was gonna look okay, but looking at them now, these are nice. I probably could have got. What you think about these, son? Honestly, come look at them close up. You'll rock something like these? That pink and red hidden.
Yeah.
Well, got a little jewelry on there. Okay. Yeah, they did that. Now look at the box. I'm gonna keep this box. And then look at the paper inside the box. All right, y'all, man. My wife love them. My son, he like them. And I like them, man. These shoes look dope, man. Looking at the picture, it don't do no justice. But looking at these shoes right now, man, they are fire. I love them, man. And it's a lot going on. We're gonna get into that. But I paid, I think, around $200 on Hibbit. My wife hit on the raffle, and man, we went up there, picked them up. And I believe the guy said good luck getting these, because I believe they sold out everywhere. I checked Sneakers app, sold out. I checked, went back on Hibbit, sold out. So these shoes here, man, and think about it, Valentine Day. These shoes, these are Valentine Day Jordan 3s, man. So, man, for the people that did hit on these, or for the people that got them, drop a comment, man, because these are dope. All right, y'all, let's take a closer look at these shoes. Now, the upper material is nubuck, and the colorway is wash corral, okay? And then if you look at the hints of red throughout the shoe, that's gem red, okay? And then if you go to the outsole, that's pink gum translucent, pink gum colorway, all right? And now, if you look at the midsole, you got white, you got your air bubble right there, you got your elephant print. I don't know what's going on with the elephant print, but it pops, man. You just hold the shoe up in the light, the elephant print pops. I don't see no quality control issues on both of these shoes. They did a great job with this pair. I have nothing bad to say about the shoe, man. Like, I'm kind of mad I didn't get them for myself if they have them my size. And when it comes to Jordan 3s, I go true to size. I don't know about nobody else. But let's go see how these shoes look on feet. Let's go.